Today finds me in Austin, Texas, where we're heading to the Museum of Illusion. I've never been there. I don't know what to expect, so let's get going. And there it is, the Museum of Illusions. Most of these don't need an explanation because they're visual illusions, but there were a few that really have to be seen in real life to appreciate. Most of these illusions use mirrors in some way, but others were just interesting to watch. This reminds me a lot of the old House of Mirrors that you used to see at carnival midways. This always fascinated me. How can you grow just by walking from one side of the room to the other? This was fun. It looks like a deep tunnel, but it's only a foot high. A lot of people were nervous to stand on it. Whoa! Oh man! Oh jeez! This room was unbelievable. It's so deceptive. When you walk in there, you swear you're spinning and tipping over. I didn't expect that. So when I spin this, it always seems like the arrow is pointing to my left, or the one in the background always looks like it's pointing to the right. Pretty strange. And here's the old Haunted Mansion illusion. Where it follows you. So we're supposed to figure which line is longer. Of course, they're going to be the same, right? So we got that. And if you watched a previous video of mine, I did this with the coffee cup sleeves. It looks like the bottom one's bigger, but you can compare and see they're both exactly the same size. Which box has a bigger lid? Well, once again, they're exactly the same size. And which line is bigger? I think you're supposed to think that one is. Well, once again, exactly the same size. When you see how this is built, it makes a little more sense. The needle's straight, but the buttons are braided for an optical illusion. To work on video, but it looks like the 3D is coming out when it's really going in. Oh, this is wild. Wow. So it's a three-dimensional picture. That's crazy. And they have a little hands-on table where you can try different illusions. This is a very cool place, but be warned, I'm getting a little bit of vertigo moving through a lot of these illusions. Getting a little dizzy. And of course, they have a gift shop with all the various puzzles and more that you see here. Pretty reasonably priced. And some of these are actual puzzles, some are variations or miniatures, like the pin art you see over here. And some of them are just interesting puzzles that you can take home and do on your own. Look at this. Rubber pencils. How about that? The Illusion Museum really had some fun, interactive displays. Plan on about 45 minutes, and it's best to make reservations ahead of time. Which illusion was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you here next time on the Average Me channel.